Good afternoon, everyone. So the last class we discussed R value given. So Rn equal to finally n square h square by 4 pi square m k z e square. Is it correct? This is nth orbit radius, sir. Nth orbit means this the nucleus can take any orbits, that is too many orbits is there, that n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. You can write n equal to orbit or shell number. H equal to, sir, this H, I don't think both are 2n, huh? H equal to Planck's constant. I think so. 4 is constant, pi constant, m equal to mass of electron. K equal to, that's constant. That value also are going to give that one. Just a minute. K equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. And we are going to be studying physics. Anyway, we don't want this thing. Directly I am giving value 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square. It's a Coulomb inverse, this is minus 2. Next, any other term which you don't know, that is Z. Z equal to atomic number. Next, anyone? E equal to charge of electron. Please check it. Any doubt? Yesterday I given derivation. Just you are writing that final equation. Okay. And the terminology you are writing here. Charge of electron. R means radius, correct? Radius of the orbit from nucleus to Sunday test easy only, but next test may be still more easy. This test are not able to get too many questions. That's why mostly theoretical questions will come. A few based on radius questions. Okay, done. The atomic structure will be there. 19 questions are given, atomic structure. Only 6 from some basic concepts. Completed? A means mass number, correct. Any other? School exam, I don't have any idea, but see. Right, that is epsilon naught, permittivity, epsilon naught, that is. Permittivity, something physics you are going to get. Anyway, we need here k value. Remember, this is more than enough for us. This is epsilon naught, permittivity. Epsilon naught, not E, that is epsilon naught. Okay. So by substituting here, array k is constant, just remember value, doesn't matter. Only remember this value. K equal to 9 to 10 power 9. That is a k is the constant. Now substitute all values in the formula. So which is the variables here? Can you find out? Which is the constant value, which is the variables? So I am underlining which is variables. N value is variable, Z value is variable. Remaining all are constants. So I am going to be substitute H value, 4, pi value, M value, K value, E value. So then what we are going to be get? Can you try it? So can you try it? Substitute here. I'm writing sir here. Rn is the first shell I'm taking here. You can keep Rn, that is directly. So n square you can keep H value 6.626 into 10 power minus 34. Squares are this is means you can write 2 times now 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 by 4. Pi value is 3.14 into 3.14. Next, what they given, sir? M, mass of electron. What is the mass of electron? 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg, sir. 31. So I'm taking all our SA system. Next. Anyway, Z is constant electron charge. 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Can take this square into Z. By solving this is, I am going to be get here Rn equal to, or you can try it, is it correct or wrong, you can try it. 5.29 into 10 power minus 11 meters into n square by Z. Okay, I didn't use K value. Please write, sir. Please write. K value also you can write. What is the K value? Or you can write K value 9 into 10 power 9. Then substitute, sir. All values you can substitute. So finally, we are going to be get this the expression. Right? Just all the values you have formula you have just substitute. Now Rn. I can write this is in terms of angstroms. In terms of angstroms. So 0.529 into 10 power minus 10 meters into n square by Z. 10 power minus 10 is the 1 angstrom in MK system. So shall I write R n equal to 0.529 into n square by z angstroms. This is the nth orbit radius formula. You can write under notes, sir. Bohr's model, this is the limitation also, again we are going to discuss later. This Bohr's model applicable only single electron system. Single electron system. Please check it. Single electron system. So single electron system means only that should be contain one electron. I hope you know meaning of single electron. Single electron meaning one electron. So H hydrogen contain how many electrons? Only one electron. Next, helium plus one electron. Lithium 2 plus one electron. Beryllium 3 plus. So all they have one electron. So for that cases, only Bohr's model can applicable. Please note down first. It completed, let me know that one. Completed like SMS. Amis, whatever to chat. I will send end of the class. Leave it now. This is the starting class. We are discussing that formula I wrote and each terminology we discussed that one. After that, we are substituting in this formula all the values. Then finally, we are getting one expression that is 0.529 angstroms. Clear? So now calculate if n equal to 1, sir. What's the value? N equal to 1, Z equal to 1. Which atom that is Z equal to 1 means? Hydrogen atom. Can you substitute here? R1 equal to 0.529 angstroms. N square equal to 1 square and everything is 1, sir. You can write here 1 square by 1. So nothing but R1 equal to 0.529 means distance from nucleus to first orbit distance, sir. They given 0.529 angstroms. This is the meaning first orbit distance. Second orbit distance can you calculate from nucleus to here for hydrogen atom? Second orbit distance, please anyone can calculate? This is R1. R2 can you calculate? Substitute. R2 equal to n equal to 2, 0.059529 into n equal to 2 sir square by z equal to 1 for hydrogen atom. How much you will get? 2.116 angstroms. So first orbit is very near to nucleus, then second one is far away. Then R3. I substitute everything in above formula. Write formula then substitute. 0.059529 into n square by z. Substitute I am asking R3 sir. N equal to 3. 0.0529 into 3 square by 1. Approximately 4.761 angstroms. So now you can practice. I am giving. Array, any doubts till now? How to calculate? Please check it. Remaining people. Still now, please check it. 0. Array, here onwards. Everything you can get from here. Don't get any confusion. I am taking this is the formula. I am using this the formula for every case. N value, Z remaining as it is same. How to calculate? Only one formula. You've done you people too many things in mathematics. Just you are doing this small thing. Any doubt here? Okay, we can calculate the R2 by R2 of above one is hydrogen, below one is Li2 plus. Can you try it? Ratio. Anjay, what is the value you are able to see on board? On the screen. Wait. I given some mistakes or anything here. This is the R value 0.529 is correct. 0.529. So sorry, this is 0.529 is correct one. Please note down. 0.529 is correct. Okay, we are taking actually some assumptions. That's okay, right? Approximately 0.53 or 0.529. Fine, that is. So what is the can you try it? What is the ratio you are getting, sir? Here answers. What's the meaning that one, sir? Second orbit radius of hydrogen atom, second orbit radius of lithium 2 plus. What's the value? No, all these are not different. Correct only. Don't worry that one. This is radius formula. Write it. So 3:1, 9:1, which is correct? What is the formula, sir? Radius is directly proportional to Rn equal to Rn equal to 0.529 into n square by z. So R1 by R2 equal to n1 square by n2 square into Z1 by Z2. Is it correct? This is you are getting. Anything wrong? So this is 2. Second shell I am taking. So for hydrogen atom, N value, this is N1 means you may can take for lithium, sir. This is 1, this is 2. Can substitute. Otherwise, you can calculate separately and substitute. Doesn't matter. You can calculate separately R2 value, calculate separately lithium. So both R2 means N also constant. N1 both are 2 only given, na? N also constant. Only Z is the variables. So you should be get 3 by 1 is the answer, sir. Please check it. Alright, lithium atomic number is 3, not 2. Hydrogen is 1. See, I given here relation also. N1 and N2 also same because both are second shell. So both will be cancelled. Only Z2 by Z1. Z2 nothing but here lithium. So next one, what is the R2 minus, sorry, R2 minus R1 of hydrogen. R2 minus R1 of hydrogen. Roshan, Vijay, we have infinite number of shells. Infinite number of shells, we have that one. This is the nucleus. You have infinite number of shells. Infinite number, not 1. Clear? What is the difference you are getting? R2 minus R1. Remaining people not participating. Only few people are participating. You know that one? Batch, I think so. Your seniors need batch 2 is there. Who are not responding, those people they are writing 10 times theory, sir. 10 times. They are writing theory 10 times. Because they don't know theory, that's why they are not responding. I feel that one, I felt. Then I given that is punishment. The next day onwards, they are responding everyone. I don't want reasons why you are not responding. You should be respond. If I am asking question means that should be their answer. In your number should be there, your name should be there. I can find out easily who are not responding. Be in active mode, okay? Otherwise, I will those numbers only I will give. Then they will call you, write whatever imposition 10 times, 20 times. Be alert that one. So I am not the responsible, sir, in that case. You are the only people, whenever I am asking, you are not responding. And I seen some people, they are walking, sir, just log in, they are walking in their room, okay? They are not listening, they are not writing notes also. So I am going to be call you very soon. What is that class notes till now we noted down? And our rough work, I think so that concept. That's we didn't forget. I will ask you very soon. That's the main priority for your internal marks. Every day, class notes practice. Okay. First point. Then second point is per day 5 to 10 problem solving in your class notes. In that case, maybe you can include your homework also. Or you can do some other. I don't want any reason. This is okay. This is the I'm going to be considered for internal marks. I will consider which you are sending, Learnit you are submitting, but my priority going to be this is high priority. Class notes theory should be practice. Very well, you are not using separate notebook, doesn't matter, but you practice or not, that is important for me. Practiced or not, that is only important for me. Where did you practice? That is important. How many pages you done for me? How many notes you are maintaining? That's keep in mind all these points. Clear? But I will ask 100%. My high priority for internal marks is class notes theory practice. Then followed by per day 5 to 10 sums. But end of the day, sir, you didn't tell these things, you didn't tell that's why how we are considering right means, I don't think that is. I'm going to be considered these are the only internal marks. Are Sudarshan K, you are not LKG kid. We are preparing highly competitive, okay, India-wise exam. How can we expect homeworks are daily? That's up to you. Suppose I completed small topic means you have to do up to advanced level, different questions, different books you have to do. No? Because it is I am giving work only, then you are getting IIT means, and I won't be there here. Then I will become chemistry god for IIT. Huh? So don't think so that one. But very soon you will get. What is the answer? 1.587 something you are getting. So you can create some questions like this way. I'm expecting from you people. You can create some questions like, okay, R3 by R4 or whatever. This is for lithium atom. This is for hydrogen atom. Like that, you can create some question. This is one question. Okay. Second question, you can take R1 of helium plus by R2 of hydrogen atom. Like that, you can create some questions, sir. This yourself you can create, or R4 minus R2 of lithium you can calculate. This is third question. Like you can create some problems like this, very simple problems. Then take ratios of different elements. So this is like this, you can create 5-6 questions or more than 10 questions also, up to you, which you are getting confident. Understood? Are Kaushik Babu? That question is very silly question. Huh? Practice yourself. Huh? Take on rough paper and write. Otherwise, calculate individually, then take ratio. Which is common point, you can cancel. Which is different means, then you need to keep that. So this is the radius formula, sir. Radius formula. These are the questions you have to create. Okay, yourself, these type of questions you need to create. Up to 10 questions you can create yourself. Then practice up to when you are getting confidently. Okay. What's the meaning of R3, sir? Orbit 3 radius of lithium atom. R4 of hydrogen, radius 4. Suppose first question. We are trying, sir. First question. R3 means you can take R3 of lithium is 0.529 into 3 square by 3. This is lithium. And R4 of hydrogen equal to 0.529 into 4 square by 1. This is take ratio. That's why I'm asking, sir. This is for hydrogen, this is for lithium. Because 3 I kept. 3 means lithium, 1 means for hydrogen. Then take ratio. Whatever you are cancelling, cancel. What is the remaining? You can write remaining. Understood? This is the way you need to solve, sir. Are you mathematics experts? Got it? How to do that questions? How to calculate? You got it? Okay? You got it? Array, in your examination, tomorrow exam, what is the notes we covered? That related questions only will get. Clear? Please read NCERT book. Stopping potential, I word is there. Stopping potential. So this is Photoelectric effect they given. Please read that concept. Wantedly I given that question. Because you are reading NCERT book or not, I don't know that is. There is a purpose I given some questions from NCERT book, theoretical questions. Which is the sidings covered in your class notes? That related questions only you will get in examination. Clear? Are you getting my point? Any doubt? Fine. Okay. Hey, exam date, I don't know all these things. Please, okay, leave it. I'm not the exam coordinator, so they can consider. So this is with respect to radius. And one more point. Even keep in mind energy difference delta E I given yesterday. Nothing but HC by lambda. Even based on this formula, also you can expect questions. And even NH by 2 pi, even this formula. Don't leave any corner concept. You are going to get questions. Clear? And one more point, this is radius, sir. Still now your syllabus is over. I given up to radius only in examination for exam purpose. So your syllabus is over this weekend. And one small question, you may can try it. Radius based questions you will get. Radius based questions, few questions. But next week too many questions is there. Sudarshan K, go and read textbook. I don't know school exam what they are conducting. Maybe I can find out if they're asking. They didn't tell me that one anything. See here. This is the, assume that one nucleus. This is the shell number 1, shell number 2, shell number 3 like this. Okay. So I'm writing this is nucleus. For understanding purpose, this is the shell number 1, shell number 2, shell number 3. Okay. This is n equal to 1. Same thing I'm writing, sir, for looking good, looking comfortability purpose I wrote this is like this. For example, here one electron came to here. Okay. And again next chance, electron came to here and here to here they came. Understood? This wavelength is, keep in mind, this is carefully. Please concentrate here. This is first one is lambda 1. This is lambda 2 and lambda 3. What is the relation between lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3? What is the relation between lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3? Lambda means wavelength, sir. Wavelength symbol. Already given symbols. Again, don't ask what is the lambda, sir. Seventeenth is the school exam or 25 something, they said. Okay, 17th means we will cover, sir, up to Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Okay. To Heisenberg uncertainty principle, de Broglie's theory, everything will cover up to that. Hydrogen spectrum. So that is the syllabus. But not redox reactions. What is the values are here? What we are expecting, lambda equal to lambda 1 equal to lambda 2 plus lambda 3. This is wrong. Okay. So you are writing here, check it. You need to add, this is in terms of energy only. In terms of energy. E equal to hc by lambda, sir. Energy we can add, but lambda wavelengths we can't add. Okay. Keep in mind, energy we can add directly, but wavelength we can't add. That is related to, okay, wavelength is inversely proportional to energy. directly contact. Please note down that is a one small trick, that is not trick, that is theory only. Okay. E1 plus E1 equal to E1 plus E2 you can write. E2 plus E3. This is correct. Please note down. This is the mistake everyone they are going to do. Even tomorrow you are going to write in examination. Same concept, same thing. Please note down here. Yes, Girish Khanna, correct. Correct. No law of conservation of wavelength. Correct. Nikhil Krishna, you are correct. E1 equal to, you can write Hc by lambda 1. Can I write? This is Hc by lambda 2 plus Hc by lambda 3. Lambda 1, lambda 2 I am writing, sir. You can take Hc is common. Can you take Hc is common here? Hc will be cancelled. So 1 by lambda 1 equal to 1 by lambda 2 plus 1 by lambda 3. Understood? So this is the relation. You may can take LCM and remaining things is up to you. And I given some more questions, sir. Other type of questions also I given. Suppose one photon energy h nu, assume that one, that strikes some part. Then one is reflected, other one is transmitted. H nu is the photon energy, some energy packet. Arey Kumar, you have brain, anything inside? Otherwise you kept in fridge. Okay. I am discussing seriously about concept. You are asking some other things. When we are discussing, stop those things. Don't ask. Little bit na, that is. Suppose you are talking seriously with your girlfriend, someone they are disturbing you, you won't feel anything bad. Even that irritating. Okay. So keep in mind all these things. When we are discussing, please stop. Okay. See, sir, when photon is fall down on the surface, two chances is there, that may can reflect. Okay, it may can transmit. One more chance also is there, it can absorb also. But anyway, absorption thing I am not taking. Even if you want, you can take all the things also, which is, this is the one thing. Okay, this energy of the photon they will give in terms of wavelength, sir. In terms of wavelength, maybe 300 nanometer or 400 nanometer they will give. And one of the thing here, they will provide here maybe 600 nanometer. So what is the wavelength of this part? Like this they can ask. So two particles they will give, one they will give wavelength, again other also they will give third particle or third part wavelength, how much? This type of questions you will get. You can try this question I am giving. So concept based, sir, this is. So question is, please note down. A gas absorbs a photon of 335 nanometer and emits. Some people they are not understanding my language. I know that one. Please, when I am dictating also, please concentrate that is. This is emits, sir. Emits. Two wavelengths. Wavelengths LEN, GTHS wavelengths. If one of emission is 743 nanometer. The other one is now this is the thing, okay. So first photon, this is energy, means wavelength, and second that emitting one also they given 743 nanometer. What's the other one they're asking, okay. So whatever they're given, we can do in terms of energy only, sir. This is they're observing, okay. Assume that one, first one, E this is. That emitted two photons. This is the one photon, that is E1. Other photon, we don't know, that is E2. This is the way of thinking. You should not think, sir, this is small wavelength means higher energy, okay. Small wavelength means high energy. If this is high energy means wavelength should be inversely proportional. So your thinking should be like this pattern, sir. You can calculate. Or whatever I given answer, that in terms of nanometer only, no, you have to get. There is no other option. So yeah, absorption photon this is, then they are getting two different photons. See, one is this is, other one means E1 plus E2 can think Hc by lambda. This is then Hc by lambda 1 plus Hc by lambda 2. We can try this format, sir. Are you getting my point? So don't do directly addition subtractions. Please note down all these concepts in notes. Yeah, you can use Kaushik Babu. That's only indirectly I am telling. So calculate approximately how much you are getting answer, that's your answer. Yes, we can use Siddharth, you can use and you can get answer. 610 you are getting. Everyone you are getting 610. Okay. Suppose similar question I am giving, similar one, okay. Asked is same framing of the same question, okay. But suppose I need to get, this is 1 by lambda, I don't know this value. I given this is 743. Here I given 680. So what is this lambda value? Can you find out, anyone, please? Can you find? Someone they given Balamorgan answer 680. But you people they are giving 610, which is correct. Or 680, which is correct. Sure? 610 is correct. Previous question. Second question 355. The first question is fixed, everyone. 6, 10. Okay. So 335.0. Other then this is 355 we are getting here. What's the lambda here? 1 by lambda. Some people they given 355, some people 335, which is correct. So majority of the people 355. Sure, 355 only. Not 335. Okay, okay, fine. So in examination, any values came, approximate values you can take and solve it. Are Sudhakar, you are not listening class on that is which I am asking. Then what is the 335? 355 means what I can give. Question related to this one. Okay. Anyway, that is not related, leave that one. So if you don't know background means that doesn't matter. I didn't ask any new question for them. Leave it. Just cross 610. That's the purpose I am asking. Okay. So we can do now small thing for energy derivation, sir. Next heading. Write it. Calculation of energy of an electron. Energy of an electron. So we done still now radius from nucleus to what is the distance of radius of orbit. Now I am going to be calculate if I know orbit energy nothing but that's equal to electron energy because electron revolving here. Whatever energy of the orbit equal to energy of the electron. So now I am going to calculate energy of the electron in given orbit because I use that one. Each shell have then fixed amount of energy. Is correct? So when electron revolving that orbit, that won't lose. If you are giving extra energy, they can excite. If you are not giving means that fixed here. Second shell have other energy. So these two are different energies. Okay, which you are moving far away each other means energy of the orbit increases. This is low energy, this is high energy. The difference between these orbits also decreases, sir. Please note down that point, one point. Energy difference between orbits increases by increasing shell number. For example, this is shell number 1, shell number 2, shell number 3. Energy difference delta E is E2 minus E1 is greater than, okay, then E3 minus E2. If number of shells increases, their energy difference is decreases. Means I'm writing, you can see with respect to diagrammatically, is the first shell, second shell, third shell, fourth shell. By using this diagram, but I'm not writing exactly measurement diagram, please keep in mind. So my intensity of the point is shell 1 to 2 difference is more, 2 to 3 difference is less, 3 to 4 still difference is less. You're getting my point? So delta E, this is first one, this is more, okay? This is 1, 2, 3. So delta E1 is more, delta E2 and delta E3. That's we are going to be proved with respect to values. We are going to prove that is with respect to values, you are going to be calculate, then you are going to be tell that values which is more, which is less. Okay, 355 we are getting. Fine, good. In examination, if any nearby values is there, we can check it because we can't edit in right now. That question paper already they given. So any values came near to each other, then choose that values. Sir, the answer they given different value, then I choose this one because I can't do anything. That because editing option is not there, which is the provided data. Check it, sir. Got it? This point. Sudhakar, nothing. That previous question that is. Okay, previous question. This is the question we discussed. Lambda. Okay, I don't know that lambda value. Suppose I given here 610. Then what is the lambda value? That we didn't listen at that time. Then everyone they given answers. What is the lambda value if I provided these two? A reverse question I given. You got it? Here statement can you write? When shell numbers increases, energy difference between shells decreases. Can you write that point? When shell number increases, energy difference between shells decreases. Can you write that point? Once you note it down, let me know that one. What's the doubt? When number of shells increases, energy difference between shells decreases. Energy difference between shells decreases. Difference, what is, you are getting my point? Difference, energy difference. Difference, you got it? Energy difference term I am using, sir. Charge meaning I'm not using energy, charge difference I'm using. Please keep in mind, Siddharth. Okay. Shell number of shells increases, energy difference between shells decreases. Same diagram I am showing, that diagram only I am telling statement. Can you write with respect to this diagram? Which is a more energy gap is there here, gap. This is, and here, which is a more energy gap, first one. So this is 1 and 2, 3, 4. If shell numbers increases means energy difference decreases. That is a point you have to keep in mind. Yes, Vijay Rubesh, you are correct. When energy decreases means wavelength going to be increases. Wavelength increases. Energy difference decreases means wavelength going to be increases. Wavelength difference, okay? Wavelength difference going to be increases. Correct. Lambda and energy inversely proportional, that is the reason. Next week, don't absent. Atom structure, hydrogen related we are going to discuss. Because recent mains also they ask questions, direct questions. You can do 2019-20 questions, which is they given based on Bose model also. Okay. SS frequency also same thing. Vidushan, correct. They don't expect chemistry revision. Then what is the, we are doing everyday class notes, you are practicing, then we are doing everyday 5 to 10 sums. Who are not doing this work, then they are asking revision. Okay, who are doing regularly, they won't ask any revision. Fine, fine, correct. Okay, take break. You can see later. All the best for your exam. Attempt less questions means less negative marks our target. Okay, try it. Thank you very much. Fine. I told that one, not that meaning. Time is there, will revise, otherwise you can proceed directly exam. Chemistry subject should be your strength, that should not be your weakness. Even you like me, you like my teaching are not secondary, but you have to make that your strength.